Hey Timothy, make sure you have your syllable cards. Make sure you have your dictation page and your pencil. Let's get started. Your first sound.
Does this say Monster University?
It does. It does. Good job. And you copied it from here, so yeah, it would say Monsters University. Okay? Do not interrupt, okay?
Okay.
Alright, so number 1, in. Remember how we spelled that. Okay, number 2, you don't have to write anything for number 2. We're just going to talk about it. Remember the schwa sound?
Mama, you can erase it now.
Okay, the closest sound to the schwa sound is okay? But when you spell, remember it could be any of those vowel sounds, short vowel sounds, okay? So your next one, your first word, so you should only have one sound, and we talked about the second sound, and then the first word is standoff. Please write them on your syllable cards first, just like we practiced. Make sure you're repeating the word, okay? And make sure you're scooping each syllable when you mark your word, okay? Number 2, offhand. Okay? Number 3, gangplank. Number 4, windswept. And number 5, handcuff. Okay, number 1 for your sight words, shup nest. Number 2, shublent. Number 3, trended. Number 4, inflaunt. And number 5, template. All right, so I believe we're done. Remember, if you had any trouble with those words and syllable, the words in your multisyllabic word, remember, use your syllable cards. Remember, tap the sounds in each syllable. Okay, get those sounds down, and then work on the next syllable. Tap those sounds, and then put them together. Okay. All right, so your sight words. Make sure you remember marked up your words. Check the chart. Okay. You have to wait. Okay, so your first one is friends. Number 2, ocean. Number 3, mother. I'm almost done. Number 4, father. And number 5, laugh. Okay, so number 1. This is for your sentences, okay? So make sure you repeat the sentence, pause the video, write it, and make sure you mark up your words and circle everything, okay? All your sight words, circle your sight words. Okay, number 1. Alfred will win the next contest. Go ahead and pause the video, write that sentence. Okay, so make sure you underline the blends, star your bonus letters. Okay, and also make sure you scoop your multisyllabic words. Okay, number 2. The twist contest was fun. Okay, go ahead and stop the video, repeat the sentence, write it, and then come on back. Okay, number 2. You circle your sight words, so circle the and was. Underline your blends. Okay, moving on to number 3. Get the pumpkin in the shed. Okay, make sure you pause the video so you can repeat the sentence and write the sentence. Remember, if you need anything repeated, go ahead and rewind it. Go back. Okay, go ahead and circle the in sentence number 3. Get, in, and the. Okay, make sure you scoop multisyllabic words. Underline any welded sound, underline any blends, box welded sounds, etc., etc. Okay, so just make sure you go through, make sure you capitalize your beginning of your sentences, you have your punctuation, make sure you are scooping your multisyllabic words, make sure you're just marking it up, okay, so you can be accurate. All right, I'm proud of you. High five.